The burin consists of a hardened steel shaft, square, sharpened on the end, used for engraving on metal or plastic, mounted in a hardwood handle, comes bent or straight, and requires frequent periodic sharpening. Contact paper, either printed or clear, good for backing up plates when you're etching them. Resists most etchings. However, it has a low melting point and has to be removed if you're going to heat the plate. The backing itself is silicone coated paper, good for running through your laser printer to make laser toner transfer etchings. An embosser is for making an indelible, permanent, tactile impression in any artist trading card or print, sometimes used by publishers, printers, sometimes collectors. Embosser. Heat gun. For forced hot air, for warming, for fusing, for even burning materials for plate making processes for printmaking. Heat gun. This is a laminator for transferring laser toner onto copper plates. The plate and the paper go in here, come out the other side. This is masking tape. It's used as a supply for attaching things temporarily, sometimes for masking out for painting, and also for applying etching grounds and for making collagraphs. Pliers, good for holding on to your metal plates during extreme heating, and also for cutting lightweight picture wire, and if you're a fisherman, pulling the fish hooks out of fish hooks' mouth. Scissors, good for cutting paper, string, metal foil, lightweight picture wire. Also handy for trimming fingernails, cutting hair, snowflakes, making masks. Primer, red spray primer for spraying on a textured etchant resist similar to an aquatent for making an intaglio plate or relief printing plate. Stencil brush, instrument for stencil printing and pochoir and deep cleaning intaglio and relief printing plates.